CBS 42 is your local election headquarters. People in Alabama are voting early in record numbers, but due to a recent court ruling, some of those absentee ballots could be thrown out. That's because a federal court overturned a previous ruling that allowed some voters to submit their ballots without witnesses. CBS 42 State Capitol reporter RESHAD HUDSON is following this for us.
Secretary of State John Merrill says not all of those ballots will be thrown out, but if you're someone who submitted their absentee ballot without the witness signatures, you may want to contact your county election officials to have this problem resolved. Back in September, a federal judge ruled that voters with certain medical conditions could turn in their ballots without having them notarized or signed by two witnesses. That ruling was overturned, which could leave some ballots uncounted.
Otherwise, people would have followed the law, and if they followed the law, they would not be in a position for their ballot authenticity to be counted.
Alabama law requires an absentee voter to have either two witnesses or a notary signature. The ACLU of Alabama blames the state for the problem of not giving what they call people easier access to the ballot.
The state has a history with voter suppression, and I think that this falls right in line with that. But really, what we're focused on now is ensuring that we are getting out the correct information to voters to ensure that their ballots are indeed counted.
The Secretary of State, however, is placing the blame on federal judge Abdul Kalan.
This judicial activist inserted himself in the elections process when the election was already ongoing.
Thursday is the last day for Alabamians to apply for an absentee ballot. Reporting in Montgomery, RESHAD HUDSON, CBS 42 News, local coverage you can count on.